Hello and welcome back to Softhealer Technology. Today we will explore manual journal synchronization functionality of Softhealer Xero Connector module. Click on this configuration. Go to the accountant page. Here you can see manual journal section with different configuration. Now if you want to import manual journal from Xero to Odoo, click import manual journal boolean and then click on sync journal button. Here you can see journal added to the queue. Now go to the queue menu. Click on this, select journal, click on manually import. Now go to the invoice, click on journal entries and filter using Xero configuration. Here you can see manual journal import successfully. Now go back to the Now if you want to export manual journal from Odoo to Xero, through export manual journal boolean, save configuration and click on sync journal button. Here you can see journal already synced. Now go to the Xero, login with your account. Here you can see manual journals successfully exported. Now if you do not want to do manual operation using sync journal like import and export, through this auto import journal boolean and auto export journal boolean, it will automatically import and export journal using cron. And if you want to exclude new journal record from Xero through this boolean, now create one journal entry. Try to export. Here you can see validation error appears. Thank you for watching.